on the daily challenge screen with 0 guesses. First accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a popular starting guess Inception to get feedback on medium, year, and rating. Waiting for the drop-down to populate before selecting. Type card is RED for my guess Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals TV. Year 2010 is red with up arrow, meaning target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years. Rating 8.8 is red with down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.8. No genre pills highlighted green action, adventure, sci-fi all gray. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints. Target is a TV series, released after 2012, IMDb rating below 8.8, none of Inception's genre/cast confirmed. Type card with RED for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Target is newer than 2010 and rating below 8.8. I'll guess Breaking Bad, a hugely popular TV series, 2008-2013, rating 9.5 to test the TV medium and gather year/rating/genre data. Selecting from drop-down then clicking guess. Type card, my guess Breaking Bad is a TV series. The type card area shows green leftmost card green, so target medium equals TV, confirming a TV series. Genres show comedy highlighted green while crime, drama, thriller or gray, so the target has comedy genre. No actors Bryan Cranston, Aaron Paul, Anna Gunn, Dean Norris, Betsy Brandt or directors highlighted. Year and rating cards appear red. Breaking Bad 2008, 9.5. Constraints, TV series, as comedy genre, newer than 2010, rating below 9.5, not the Breaking Bad cast/crew. Type card green, my guess Breaking Bad is a TV series, target medium equals TV. Year 2008 red with up arrow means target is newer than 2008. Rating 9.5 red with down arrow means target rating is lower. Comedy genre is green on target, crime/drama/thriller gray. So target is a TV series with comedy genre, released after 2010, rating below 9.5. I'll guess The Office US 2005, a strong comedy series to test cast and refine year/rating. My guess The Office is a TV series. The leftmost primary card is green, so target medium equals TV. Genres shows only comedy highlighted green on target. No actors highlighted Steve Carell, Jenna Fisher, John Krasinski, Rainn Wilson, Leslie David Baker all gray and no directors highlighted Paul Feig, Randall Einhorn gray. Year 2005 and rating 8.9 cards appear red. Constraints, TV series, comedy genre confirmed, not The Office cast/crew, likely newer than 2005 and rating differing from 8.9. Next I'll try a newer comedy series like Ted Lasso. Type card green, The Office is a TV series, target medium equals TV. Year 2005 red with up arrow means target is newer than 2008. Rating 9 red with down arrow means target rating is lower than 9 more than 0.5 off, so below 8.5. Comedy genre confirmed on target. I'll guess Ted Lasso 2020, 8.8 comedy to test a newer comedy series and refine year/rating. My guess Ted Lasso is a TV series. The leftmost type card appears green partially visible under dropdown, so target medium equals TV. Genres now show comedy and drama highlighted green, while sport is gray, so target is comedy and drama but not sport. No Ted Lasso actors highlighted Brendan Hunt, Jason Sudeikis, Al Waddingham, Jeremy Swift, Brett Goldstein all gray and no directors Declan Lowney, MJ Delaney gray. Constraints, TV series, comedy plus drama genres, no sport, not Ted Lasso cast. Next I'll try a comedy drama series like Shameless or Fleabag. Type card green, Ted Lasso is a TV series, target medium equals TV confirmed. Year 2020 red with down arrow means target is older than 2020 more than 2 years, so before 2018. Rating 8.8 red with down arrow means target rating is lower than 8.8 below 8.3. Comedy is green confirmed, drama and sport gray now wait, only comedy is green here. Target, TV series, comedy genre, older than 2018, rating below 8.3. I'll type Fleabag and wait to see the drop down before clicking, breaking the loop pattern to verify the suggestion row first. My guess Fleabag is a TV series. The type hard shows green TV series, so target medium equals TV confirmed. Genres show comedy green highlighted and drama gray, so target has comedy but not drama. Actors Phoebe Waller-Bridge, Cyan Clifford, Olivia Cullen gray no overlap. Directors Harry Bredbeer, Tim Kirkby gray. The pixelated poster hint is now available showing a bright yellow image strongly suggesting an animated series like The Simpsons. Yellow characters, comedy, older. Constraints, TV series, comedy, not drama, older than 2018, rating below 8.3. Yellow heavy poster likely animated. Next guess, The Simpsons. Type card green TV series checkmark, target medium equals TV confirmed. Year 2016 is yellow with up arrow, so target is within 2 years and newer than 2016-2018. Rating 8.7 is RED with down arrow, so target rating is below tilde 8.2. Comedy green on target, drama gray not on target. Poster is bright yellow. A yellow heavy poster with comedy, not drama. Around 2016-2018 The Simpsons is yellow, but from 1989 year mismatch. Let me reconsider yellow poster, comedy, 2016-2018, rating below 8.2. Could be an animated comedy. I'll type Simpsons to check the drop-down first before committing. Correction, my guess was The Simpsons movie, which is a movie 2007. Type card is RED, so target medium equals TV series opposite of my movie guess. This confirms my earlier reads target is a TV series. Year 2007 RED with up arrow means target is newer than 2007 more than 2 years, after tilde 2009. Rating 7.3 yellow with up arrow means target rating is higher than 7.3 within 0.5, so tilde 7.3-7.8. Genres, animation and comedy both green on target, family gray not. Constraints, TV series, animation plus comedy, not family, newer than 2009, rating tilde 7.3-7.8, yellow poster. This strongly points to an adult animated comedy series like Rick and Morty, Bob's Burgers, or F is for family. Given yellow poster and rating tilde 7.5, likely Bob's Burgers or similar. Type card RED The Simpsons movie is a movie, so target median equals TV series. Year 2007 RED with up arrow, target newer than tilde 2009. Rating 7.3 yellow with up arrow, target rating higher than 7.3 within 0.5, so 7.3-7.8. Genres animation plus comedy green on target, family gray not. Yellow heavy poster. Adult animated comedy, TV, newer than 2009, rating 7.3-7.8, no Simpsons cast. Actually Rick and Morty rates tilde 9.1 too high. Better fits, Bob's Burgers 2011, tilde 8.1, Family Guy tilde 8.1, Big Mouth tilde 8.0, rating 7.3-7.8 range fits Family Guy or American Dad. Let me try Family Guy first. Actually I'll type it and check drop down. Giving yellow poster maybe Family Guy. I'll search Family Guy instead. My guess Rick and Morty is a TV series. Type card is green TV series checkmark, so target median equals TV confirmed. Year 2013 RED with up arrow means target is newer than 2013 more than 2 years, so after tilde 2015. Rating 9 RED with down arrow means target rating is lower than 9 more than 0.5, so below tilde 8.5, combined with earlier Simpsons feedback rating 7.3-7.8. Genres animation and comedy green on target, adventure and sci-fi gray not on target. No actors Chris Parnell, Spencer Grammer, Sarah Chalk or directors Wesley Archer, Jacob Hare highlighted. Constraints, TV animated comedy, not adventure/sci-fi, after 2015, rating tilde 7.3-7.8, yellow poster. Strong candidate, Big Mouth 2017, tilde 8.0 or Bob's Burgers. Yellow poster in 2015 plus points to Big Mouth or F is for family. Type green TV series, target medium equals TV. Rick and Morty 2013 RED with up arrow, target newer than 2015. Rating 9 RED with down arrow, below 8.5, combined with 7.3-7.8 range. Animation and comedy green, adventure/sci-fi gray. My previous guesses did not register, still guess 7, only Rick and Morty showing, because typing alone did not submit. This time I type Big Mouth, wait for the drop down to populate, then click the guess button. Big Mouth 2017, tilde 8.0, is an animated comedy fitting the constraints. The drop down should auto-select the top match, then guess button click submits. Nailed it in 8 guesses, the answer was Big Mouth 2017. The big breakthroughs were confirming it was a TV series, the bright yellow poster and animation plus comedy genre pills, and dialing in the year to after 2015 with a rating around 7.8, which pointed me straight to the adult animated comedy. Great solve landing right on that 7.8 rating.